What's up, everybody? My name is TheJ Jordan. Today is August the 29th of August, and as you can see, I am about to do a unboxing because it was on my porch yesterday, and I just decided to do an unboxing today with it because I finished my workout. So let's see what it is. You probably already seen the picture, but let's open it up so you can see what it is. And you know, your boy be doing a lot of fitness. So this right here is to help with the fitness for me. Because you know, I like to go places and do my workouts in different places. So now I can do that. This right here, raise it up. It's a folding wagon off of Amazon. So this right here was where, say that you got, if you want to go somewhere and you want to put your stuff and your workout equipment somewhere and then go somewhere where you don't have to keep making a lot of trips, get you a folding wagon. Let's see what it do. Let's see how easy it is to assemble it. You gotta assemble it. Oh, so that's it. That's it. Like, all we gotta do is put this on, put that in the clamp, and it just fold up. We got the screws with it. Let me lower it down so y'all can see. So you can see. Yeah. All I did was put it down and it folded right up. It folded right up. I don't know but you know, I don't know how to fold it back in, but I guess when I read the instructions, well, if they have some instructions, I will. Oh, power! You got that power. It give you like an Allen wrench, one of them symmetrical wrench, and a long screw, so you can put it in there. Let's see. So we're gonna have to do that. Let me put it on. I think this is where it's supposed to go. This looks like the only place it's supposed to go. As you seen, I just opened it up. I didn't see no manual to go with it, so I wouldn't know. I want to, but I don't see the little manual. It don't even come with one. Ain't that bad a biscuit? So then what we're gonna do, we're gonna figure it out by looking at the picture. So apparently, here you go down here. Put the screw. All right. let us in there. We got that clamped in. Real easy to put together. Now all we got is we got it on here now. Open that thing, raise it up, clamp it in. I might have to turn it the other way. I was looking to that. I might turn it the other way. Like, eh. The other thing is how to fold it back up. Because it's supposed to fold. How you supposed to fold it back up? That's my question. Oh, there you go. There's a little clamp right there. And it folds right in. So I push the little center thing under it and then fold it back up. And then it'd be like this. I probably do gotta turn that the other way so it can clap in. But that's how it is. So we got this. So now I can just put my workout stuff in here and go with my own pace. So I will put the instructions where I will put the information on where I got it from on Amazon in the chat. But whatever you do stuff at your own pace, own moderation. Make sure you stretch, drink water, like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you think about the product. I think this is a very good investment because I do go a lot of places. This way I can put everything in this wheel, this folding wagon, and with my workout, and just take my workout with me as well. So with that being said, like I always say, fitness is key, peace, and hair grease. Ooh wee, yeah.